Cuddling kids.
Happy Father's Day! Today we're going to be making this awesome Father's Day art and reading from Just Me and My Dad. Probably the best book about spending time with Dad. Stick around after our story time to find out how to make your own Father's Day art. Just Me and My Dad by Mercer Mayer. We went camping, just me and my dad. Dad drove the car because I'm too little. My dad was tired, so I pitched the tent. We went fishing. My dad took a snapshot of the fish we caught. Then I cooked dinner for me and my dad.
Craft time.
For our Father's Day craft, you will need paintbrushes, a pencil, scissors, yarn, glue, washable paint, yellow, dark blue, light blue, and brown construction paper. Get your scissors ready. We are going to cut waves out of the dark blue paper. Now we will use our glue to stick the waves onto the light blue paper. Make sure to use lots and lots of glue. Flip over the paper and line up the edges really carefully. Press down the paper extra hard so that it's nice and smooth. Using your scissors again, we're going to cut out a simple fishing pole. Now glue the fishing pole to the light blue paper. Press extra hard to make sure it sticks. We're going to use some yarn to create our fishing line. Place the glue where you want the fishing line to go. Carefully press the yarn into the glue. Now for the fun part. Using a big fat paintbrush, have your parents paint your hand orange. Carefully turn your hand over and lay it flat on the yellow paper. Press down really hard so you get a really good handprint. Using the pencil, have your parents draw an outline of your hand. Pull your hand straight up off of the paper so it doesn't smudge your handprint. Using your scissors, cut out your handprint. Let's glue your handprint into the dark blue water to be our fish. Make sure you glue all the way to the ends of all the fingers so that your handprint stays nice and flat. Press it down really hard. Using a little bit of black paint and your finger, you're just going to put a tiny dot for the fish's eye. All done with your handprint art. Happy Father's Day to all the dads.
For the full story, please purchase this book or check it out at your local library. For more cuddling kids, please subscribe.